Runs! What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like it, and throw a comment in here. We got an old FL350 Honda Odyssey. Gotta rip it down, go through it, make sure everything's all square, put it all back together. Pretty good shape. It runs. Clutches need replaced. Brakes need to be put on it. Those clutches are nasty, crusty. They're going to be a pain in the ass to get off. But, hey, is what it is. There's the new clutches getting put on it. Air shrouds need to come off. I need to get in there. Throttle cable's already been removed. Cables are getting replaced. Brake system's getting gone through. This thing's going to be a lot of fun to drive around when it's done. Considering the age, she's in really good shape. Like I said, had her sitting out in the back 40 for a while. Decided to pull her out. There you go, Odyssey 350. Rusty. Little high-speed disassembly. Pull the shrouds, they're gonna get powder coated. Lots of stuff's gonna get powder coated on this. This is just a quick breakdown teaser for is one of the things that's getting worked on here. Really appreciate you clicking on the clip. Don't forget, make a comment, tell me what you think. These things were fun back in the day. It's gonna be fun here in the future day too. Get that rear skid plate down out the way so we can get to the primary clutch. Don't forget to share it too. Get some subscribers in here. Again, everybody, thanks for clicking on the clip. Y'all have a great day.